Hey guys, this is Mr. Ball, and if you are looking for the video on how to make your Egyptian quadrarama, you found the right one. And here's how it works. First you need to gather some supplies. First thing you need are 5 sheets of paper like this, and just a pair of scissors at first, and then later you need some tape and a Sharpie. And so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make all 5 of these pieces of paper into squares. And so to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold each one down the side like you're making a paper football. Okay, just like that. Alright, so once you get that folded, make sure your lines are straight, because if they're not, your pyramid is not going to be set up right. Okay, so after you do that, just cut off the excess on the end. Be careful cutting this too, because again, neatness counts. Alright, now once you cut this end off, you have a perfect square. Alright, so if you will, pause the video right here and make all 5 of your pieces of paper just like this. Okay, so here's what I've got. I've got all 5 of my strips. You should have these. These are no good, so just trash those. And you should have 5 triangles just like this. And now this is important. You're going to take each one except for one. Okay, on one, I'm just going to set that aside. We don't need that right now. You're going to take the other ones, all 4, and you're going to open them up like this, nice and flat, and you're going to fold it the other way. Okay, so that you have a crisscross on your paper. Okay, so it looks like that. Alright, so then, if you will, go ahead and pause and work on that for a couple minutes. Okay. Okay, next step, once you have all 4 of your pieces like this, okay, and if they're not real flat, that's good. You want them to kind of be poofy, because they're going to have to change shape in just a minute. So here's what you're going to do. Take your scissors, and follow real closely. I want you to cut one corner all the way to the middle where it crisscrosses. Okay, and that one's a little bit off, but that's still okay. Alright, so if you will cut the 4 pieces that you have just like that. I'll show you again. It should look like that when you're done. Just cut it to the middle. Okay, next step. We've got all 4 cut like this. Right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now here's where the magic happens. I want you to watch this real closely. I want you to take this, and I want you to put that on the bottom, and then I want you to cross it over until each side touches the other side. And you've got this little shape like this. Okay, it's like a little pyramid, but it's just one side of the pyramid. So if you can see that. Okay, when you do that, either take stapler or tape and tape it so that it stays. Okay, when you tape it on both sides, on the inside a little bit, this part right here, and then also where this flap is right here. Okay, so again, here's what it looks like. And there's the middle of it. Okay. Okay. Now that you've taped all 4 of your sides together so they look like this, then you're going to start putting it together and assembling it. Okay, this is the base of your pyramid. And then all you're going to do is you're going to take all 4 of these sides and you start putting them on the paper. Okay, one can go here, one can go here, one here. And you'll notice that if you've used the same size paper, it'll line up exactly right. Alright, now take some tape on your own and tape that to the bottom and to each other. Alright, if you've gotten all 4 sides taped to each other and to the base, then you're done. Remember that I don't want a big base into your pyramid. You can put your name, date, and period, all that stuff on the bottom. And remember the 4 sides that you're going to fill out according to the rubric. And that's it. Thanks. See you guys in class.